Come here, little birdie. Come here. Oh, great. Come on.
Doesn't make a noise in my ass.
Get off the fan. Come on. Get off the fan.
Let's get on!
No, don't turn it on, Cal.
No.
Here, I got it.
Yeah. Don't eat my picture!
Shh, it's your bird. Be nice.
Okay, that's okay.
Hold on, I'll get it. Can you just move?
You'll get it. You're doing as good as that lady at this pet store did. Here, grab it. Kelly, calm down.
Grab it!
Hey, birdie. Oh, Callie, come on.
Sorry. He's trying to fly away.
I know, fly lower.
Don't kill it.
I'm not trying to kill it.
Here, birdie.
Here, buddy! Buddy!
This is going to be the worst video ever because I keep trying to...
Okay, how about we get it in the hat?
Alright, where's the hat?
Get this. Here we go. Okay. Okay. You're in my way every
Shut
time.
up. Oh, you're doing real well.
Just
Oh, there you go.
Focus on one thing. Don't turn the fan on.
Shut up.
I'm gonna catch you. 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 Hey, don't turn my football.
Oh my god, I knew this was gonna happen.
Well,
What he will do?
this is why I love birds.
He's gonna be so tired.
Oh my god. You can't let him fly right through the hole in the hat. Genius.
Let me see my place. Hey, buddy!
Here, you try with the hat.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you.
Okay. Can you get him in the cage?
Open the cage. Enough of the video. Just dim.
Good job.
Good job.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah.
5 seconds.